If any animal should have never been naked, it's definitely the naked mole rat. They're so ugly, you'll almost wish you were blind. Naked mole rats are found in East Central Africa. Naked mole rats lack the neurotransmitters that allow them to feel pain. These moles can live for up to 30 years. Naked mole rats live in colonies of 20 to 300, and the average colony is usually around 75 miles. They feed mostly on large tuber plants. Naked mole rats generally measure around 3 to 4 inches in length and weigh 30 to 35 grams, but queen naked mole rats can weigh up to 50 grams. Perhaps adding an elephant seal to this list of ugly animals is a stretch given that calves and female elephant seals are relatively looking and even cute. However, at sexual maturity, males begin to develop a giant nose that continues growing for around 10 years, making them truly deserving of their name. Add to this the males' behavior of fighting each other viciously to control sections of beaches containing groups of females, and they often end up looking like the specimen pictured, quite a state, and deserving of being classified as an ugly animal. Eyes are ugly animals, but most of the time, eyes are one of the ugliest animals on Earth. Not only do they have disturbing faces, but their fingers are just as terrifying. Eyes, also known as long-fingered lemurs, are a type of lemur found in Madagascar. Interestingly, the eye's third finger is thinner than all of the rest, which actually enables this gangly lemur to eat its larvae-based diet by acting as a piercing hook. Their thin middle finger is also used to locate larvae in trees. They tap the tree and listen for a resonance that indicates the existence of insect tunnels. Mandrills baboons are native to West Central Africa. They are sexually dimorphic, which means the males vary quite a lot in size and appearance from the females. Male mandrill baboons usually weigh between 42 and 82 pounds, but the largest have reached 120 pounds. The regular-sized male is 30 to 35 inches long. While standing on all fours, males have shoulder lengths generally between 22 to 25 inches. One of the more fascinating facts about mandrills is that they have their own built-in food containers. There are large cheek pouches inside their mouth where they can place food for later. The Dong Tao chicken are ugly and funny-looking with their crusty mega cankles. Dong Tao chickens, also known as dragon chickens, are Vietnamese chickens that are highly valued for their meat in Vietnam. These chickens are endemic to the Dong Tao commune in the Coi Chau district, not too far from Hanoi. They were originally bred to serve only the royal family and mandarins. The Dong Tao chicken's feet are so big that it actually complicates the egg hatching process, and breeders often have to assist hens in their laying. The Marabou storks, sometimes called Anteater birds, are a type of stork native to Africa. These birds can reach 60 inches in height and 20 pounds in weight. Their wingspans usually make it up to 12 feet. Marabou storks are not only massive, but they're incredibly and shockingly ugly. Their nickname, Anteater birds, comes from the fact that, from the back they seem to be wearing a large black coat. The Marabou stork is also an opportunistic eater and scavenger that dines on almost any animal matter, including feces, decaying flesh, and flesh scraps. It also sometimes eats other birds, such as pigeons, doves, and flamingos, and even occasionally dines on pelican chicks. With a hunching, bear-like gait, these beasts of the savannah are not the prettiest animals on the planet, but at least they have a sense of humor. Occasionally referred to as laughing hyenas, these animals have calls that are often described as haunting and witch-like. Although known for being scavengers, hyenas reportedly kill 60% to 90% of what they eat. Though they look like wild dogs, they are more closely related to civets, mongooses, and meerkats. Proboscis monkey, found only on the Asian island of Borneo. The unique-looking proboscis monkey is now an endangered species due to habitat destruction. It's not clear exactly why the male monkey has such a huge, bulbous nose, but it's thought it helps them to either attract a mate, make their distinctive loud honking calls, or intimidate other competing males, or possibly some combination of all three. These ugliest of monkeys have an unrelated skill. They're some of the best swimmers around using their webbed feet and hands, able to even outswim predators such as crocodiles. As wild members of the pig family, warthogs have the characteristic pig nose, tusks protruding from their mouths, a wart-like curvature to their faces, and a nappy mane of hair that cascades down their backside. They actually have two pairs of tusks. The upper tusks emerge from their snouts making a semicircle, and their lower tusks are situated at the base of the other set. Warthogs' bodies are covered in bristles, and they're distinguished by their disproportionately large heads and those wart-like pads that offer protection. They don't create an image of beauty, but these physical characteristics make warthogs well adapted to their savanna and grassland habitats and the burrows they like to occupy. Giant anteaters, also known as ant bears, live in the grasslands and rainforests of Central America and South America. They're insectivorous mammals, meaning they eat insects primarily. Their maximum body lengths can reach between 1.8 to 2.1 meters, and they weigh anywhere from 20 to 50 kilograms. Not only are those long, oddly shaped faces disturbingly unattractive, but they have disgustingly long tongues to match their bizarre muzzles, making the giant anteater one of the top 10 ugliest animals on the planet.